Hola. To say that the Atlantic, the North Atlantic, is chilly would be a remarkable understatement. It is cold. And it's warm today. It's in the, we would say it's in the 70s, I guess, low 70s. Very comfortable. The water, oh, here it is, one young lady, okay. I stand corrected. Locals can get in here and feel okay, although she's just knee deep. So. Anyway, lovely little village, and I can't recall the name of it for the time being, but I have a little pension over there for a pilgrim's rate of 12 euros. Thank you very much. And that is a deal for a private room, and it's right here. And has a little restaurant, and that's where I'll be eating my pilgrim menu. And anyway, this is the Atlantic, so I'm very close to Finisterre, what was thought to be the end of the world back in Roman times, I believe. And it looks like there's gold flecks in the sand here. This is interesting. Probably can't see that, but the water actually, the sand actually sparkles. Oh well. Buenos dias, and hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Buen camino, wherever your camino takes you, and ciao.